Hi everyone, welcome to week 8. This week there are no tests, no portfolio project assignment due, so it's going to be a pretty easy, straightforward week. We're working more on solving equations, and I just wanted to give you guys a reminder. Remember to keep the equations balanced. Whatever you do to one side of the equation, you do to the other side of the equation. For our English lesson, we're going to be working on verb tenses some more. I printed out the verb tense sheet because I can usually tell when there's a mistake in a sentence, but I don't usually know what the mistake is. So I use this verb tense chart a lot to look things up and figure out what it's supposed to be, and so I can explain it to you. Here at the end, I wanted to share something with you that I've recently learned about. Some of you guys might know that the book Mindset is very popular right now, especially in education circles. And in the book, it talks about having a growth mindset. Having a growth mindset means that you don't believe that your knowledge is static, that you know what you know and you're not going to learn anything else, but you believe that you can change and you can grow and you can become a better person. It's very much like the gospel. We believe that we can repent and we can change and become different people. We can that through the atonement of Christ, we can become a better person, that we are not stuck with who we are right now. So one of the things that one of my friends and colleagues has done is that she has a board in her math class, and on it has these sayings. It says, "I can't do this," and it says, "This doesn't work," and it says, "I'm not good at this," and it says, "I don't know the answer." And then she has up there this big sign that says, "The power of yet." So she takes and puts yet at the end of each of those sentences. So I printed out this yet, and I'm going to put it up in my house so I can remind my children of the power of yet. And so instead of saying, "I can't do this," you say, "I can't do this yet, but I'm going to learn how to do it." Or, "This doesn't work yet, but I'm going to figure it out." Or, "I'm not good at this." Instead of saying, "I'm not good at this," say, "I'm not good at this yet." Instead of saying, "I don't know the answer," say, "I don't know the answer yet." So this gives you this feeling of, instead of this feeling of hopelessness, like I can't do this, instead you have this feeling of, I'm learning. I am a person who's learning and growing, and we all are people that are learning and growing, and having a positive attitude about that and saying, you know what, I'm learning and growing, and that's a good thing, and I may make mistakes, but that's okay, because this is part of life and this is how we learn and grow. So having a positive attitude, there's been studies that show that having a positive attitude when you study math actually gives you a better grade. It can increase your grade by almost a whole grade point by having a positive attitude and having that growth mindset and having that feeling of, I don't know it, but I will at some point. So I just wanted to share that idea with you this week. So have a great week, and I will see you online.